Good morning students. Today we are on our 4th standard GK subject and today we are going to learn about our lesson number 34, 35, 36 and 37. Okay. So let's see what's inside that lessons. Okay students, now we are on our lesson number 34, that is a geo terms. Here fill in the blanks using the help box. The clues for the help box is given here on page number 36 on the downside of the page. Total 8 questions are asked here and every question has their fill in the blanks, and in the fill in the blanks we have to just fill the correct clue. First, the term used to describe the political divisions of Switzerland. It is called cantons. Spelling is cantons, cantons. Second number, the upper level of the underground surface of the earth in which the soil or rocks are saturated with water. That is a water table. Third number, the name given to a stream that empties itself into the main river as it flows to the sea. That is called tributary. Fourth number, a huge sheet of ice formed from compressed snow that glides slowly down the mountains. It is a glacier. Fifth number, the lines that are drawn up a map to connect places of equal pressure, they are called isobars. 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 Sixth number, the lines drawn on a map to connect places that have equal temperature, that is called isotherms. Seventh number, the lines drawn on a map to connect places that have equal rainfall in a given periods, that is called isoheights. And last, the lines drawn on a map to connect places of equal height above sea level, they are called contours. Okay, so this was our lesson number 34, geo terms. Now we are on our lesson number 35, that is the capitals and currencies. Here are the flags of some countries. Write the capital and the currency of the respective countries in the boxes. One has been done for you. यहाँ पर हमें टोटल 8 कंट्रीज़ के फ्लैग्स दिए हुए हैं. हमें सबसे पहले यहाँ पर उनके लिखने हैं कैपिटल्स और उसके बाद में हमें लिखना है उस देश की करेंसी. करेंसी मतलब चलन, मतलब वहाँ पे जो पैसे होते हैं, जो रुपीज़ होते हैं, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे पैसे और रुपीज़ होते हैं, वैसे अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के रुपीज़ को अलग अलग नाम दिया जाता है. तो उन्हें किस नाम से जाना जाता है वो आज हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट जो उन्होंने ऑलरेडी हमें दिया हुआ है, फर्स्ट कंट्री है बांग्लादेश एंड दिस इज़ द फ्लैग ऑफ बांग्लादेश एंड हियर ढाका इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ बांग्लादेश एंड टका और टाका इज़ द करेंसी नेम ऑफ बांग्लादेश. सेकंड, जापान, द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ जापान इज़ टोक्यो and the currency of Japan is yen. Okay. Third number is Pakistan. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad and the currency of Pakistan is rupee, Pakistani rupee. Fourth number, Sri Lanka. The capital city of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepura and the currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. Next, Nepal. Capital city is Kathmandu and currency is Nepalese rupee. Sixth number, China. Capital is Beijing and the currency is yuan. Seventh number, Bhutan. Capital is Thimphu and the currency is Engeltram. 8 number, USA means America. Capital is Washington DC and The currency is US dollar. Here is given some extra information. Cyprus is the only country which has its map on the flag. मतलब साइप्रस ये दुनिया का इकलौता ऐसा देश है जिसके फ्लैग पे उसी देश का मैप छपा हुआ होता है. ओके. एंड 3 bands in our national flag. Saffron, it stands for strength and courage. White with Ashok Chakra, it stands for peace and truth. And green, it stands for growth, fertility and auspiciousness. So this was our lesson number 35, capitals and currencies. Now we will proceed on our lesson number 36, international sports stars. Which games and sports are the following people associated with? Use the help boxes to name them and identify their sports. यहाँ पर आपको टोटल 9 स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के फोटोग्राफ्स यहाँ पर आपको दिए हैं और नीचे 2 टेबल्स में आपको हेल्प बॉक्स दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट टेबल इज ऑफ प्लेयर नेम एंड सेकंड टेबल इज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स नेम. सो यहाँ पर आपको हर प्लेयर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. फर्स्ट उसका नाम लिखना है, उसके बाद में वो कौन सा गेम खेलता है वो आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट look at the photograph. He is Andy Murray and he plays tennis. Second, Manuel Neuer and he plays football. जो ब्रैकेट में मैंने लिखा हुआ है वो प्लेयर उस स्पोर्ट से एसोसिएटेड है. ओके. थर्ड नंबर, बेन स्टोक्स. इस प्लेयर को आपने ज़्यादातर आईपीएल में देखा होगा और ये इंग्लैंड क्रिकेट टीम का प्लेयर है. ही प्लेज क्रिकेट. फोर्थ, माइकल फेल्प्स एंड ही इज अ स्विमर, मीन्स ही प्लेज स्विमिंग. फिफ्थ नंबर, डस्टिन जॉनसन एंड ही प्लेज गोल्फ. सिक्स नंबर, ली चैंग वेई, he plays badminton. 7 number, Neymar and he is very famous player of football team. Then 8 number, Andre Ward and he is a boxer, means playing boxing. And 9 number, Serena Williams and she plays tennis. Okay. So this was our lesson number 36, international sports stars. Next and last lesson, India's Nobel connection. These are the picture of some Nobel laureates from India. Write their names using the help box. First, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. His name is Rabindranath Tagore. Next, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his discovery that when light travels through a transparent material, some of the light that is deflected changes in wavelength. He was C.V. Raman. Third number, this Indian-born American biochemist was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1968 for cracking the genetic code of a cell. He was Har Gobind Khorana. Fourth number, she received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for humanitarian social work. She was Mother Teresa. This Indian-born American astrophysicist received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983 for his studies on the structure and evolution of stars. He was Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Sixth number, he won the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998 for his work on welfare economics. He was Amartya Sen. And 7th number, he received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for his struggle against the suppression of children and for the right of all children to education. He was कैलाश सत्यार्थी। और इनके साथ में पाकिस्तान की एक लड़की थी, एक स्टूडेंट थी जिस पर अटैक किया गया था, उसका नाम था मलाला यूसुफजई। उसे भी कैलाश सत्यार्थी के साथ में ही नोबल प्राइज फॉर स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन वो मिला था। सो दिस वाज आवर लास्ट लेसन, दैट इज लेसन नंबर 37, इंडियाज नोबल कनेक्शन।